Yo guys, thanks for checking out my 2019 bike check. My frame is a total Killabee K2. It's chrome and it has a 20.7 inch top tube. My stem is an S&M Enduro V2. It's black with a 50mm reach. My bars are Colony Biomech bars. They're also black with a 9-inch rise. They're Anthony Napolitan signatures. For my grips, I put on some Ethic scooter grips. My forks are Colony Sweet Tooth, black with 28mm dropouts. They're Alexheim signature forks. My wheels and tires are both the same front and back. I've got Profile Mini hubs laced to Sun Rhinolite wheels held together with tie spokes and alloy nipples. My rear tire is a Demolition Hammerhead in 2.25 and my front tire is a Demolition Momentum in 2.3. For my pedals, I'm running Demolition Troopers. My cranks are Profile Gunhole Drive in black with a tie spindle. My sprocket is a Profile Spline Drive, and my chain is a Shadow Interlock V2.
Sick!